Drug name. Generic name, Albuterol. Other name, Salbutamol. Brand names, Ventolin, ProAir, Preventil, Acuneb, among others. 2. Drug class. Class, short-acting beta-2 adrenergic receptor agonist, SABA. Function, bronchodilator. 3. Mechanism of action. Albuterol works by stimulating beta-2 adrenergic receptors in the smooth muscles of the airways, causing relaxation of these muscles. This results in dilation of the bronchi and bronchioles, relief from bronchospasm, improved airflow and oxygen delivery to the lungs. It acts quickly, usually within 5 to 15 minutes, and its effects last about 4 to 6 hours. 4. Indications/uses. Albuterol is used to treat or prevent bronchospasm in conditions such as asthma, acute attacks and prevention, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, exercise-induced bronchoconstriction, other conditions causing reversible airway obstruction. 5. Forms and strengths. Inhalation, metered dose inhaler, MDI 90 micrograms per puff. Nebulizer solution, 0.5%, 5 milligrams per milliliter. Oral tablets, 2 milligrams, 4 milligrams, 8 milligrams. Syrup, 2 milligrams per 5 milliliters. 6. Dosage. Typical dosage may vary based on age, condition, and form. Inhaler, MDI. Adults and children greater than 4 years, 2 inhalations every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Maximum, 12 inhalations in 24 hours. Nebulizer. Adults, 2.5 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours. Children, 0.15 milligrams per kilogram every 4 to 6 hours. Oral. Adults, 2 to 4 milligrams 3 to 4 times daily. Note, always follow the prescribing doctor's instructions. 7. Side effects. Common. Tremor, shaking hands. Nervousness or anxiety. Headache. Increased heart rate, tachycardia. Palpitations. Serious, rare. Chest pain or irregular heartbeat. Severe allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. Low potassium levels, hypokalemia. 8. Precautions. Inform the doctor if you have heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid problems, or seizures. Avoid overuse. Using too frequently can worsen asthma symptoms, rebound effect. Use cautiously in pregnancy and breastfeeding. Consult your doctor. Keep track of inhaler doses to prevent under- or overuse. 9. Drug interactions. Beta blockers, like propranolol, may reduce the effectiveness of albuterol. Diuretics can increase the risk of low potassium. Other stimulants may increase heart-related side effects. 10. Storage. Store at room temperature, away from heat and direct sunlight. Do not freeze the inhaler or nebulizer solution. Keep out of reach of children. 11. Important notes. Albuterol is a rescue medication, not a long-term control medication. Patients with chronic asthma often also need inhaled corticosteroids for long-term control. Overuse can lead to reduced effectiveness and increased side effects.